What's going on, guys? Phil here. Hey, so today we're going to be installing carbon fiber like hood vent caps on this 2019 Mustang GT behind me, and then mine's like right there. I can't really see the camera. The camera's facing me, so whatnot. But like this thing looks really cool, and I'm going to show you guys the process. There's a link in the description below if you like this and want to pick it up. But yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe. All right, guys, so here we have the cap that's gonna go on the front. And on the back, it's just 3M tape. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that on there, kind of line it up, and then we're gonna push it in to secure it. But this stuff's pretty self-explanatory, but looks real nice. And again, what we're trying to do is we're trying to make sure that this will fit and that none of the silver is gonna show. So we're gonna try and just get that best that we can. And this is solid carbon fiber, so this is a carbon fiber cap. I think we said that this was $40, kind of around that range, but it's really going to be a great add, especially when you just look in the front. It's just going to add something extra, and I really love his grills. It's got the RTR grills. Josh, are the RTRs? Yeah. But they look really nice too, but we're really excited to see how this turns out. It's going to be really nice. All right, Josh, so this is the moment of truth. Are you nervous?
I'm very nervous.
Once you stick it, you can't quit it. I was trying to make an appropriate innuendo, but I'm not smart enough on the fly.
So it's either gonna look really great because I'm gonna nail it, or it's gonna look like crap because I effed it up.
First attempt. I mean, that goes like right on. I don't see any silver spillage either. I mean, here's a.
It pretty much hides the whole damn thing.
Yeah, that's on there. And the carbon fiber looks real good. I like the pattern on this one. We're gonna have to like wipe off our prints because we greasy. But yeah. Dang. So there you go. So from the front, yeah, that's gonna add 10 horsepower. Would you say 300?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, one nostril done. That's a big difference. I mean, you can even tell from back here. That adds a lot. That's cool. Just extra pizzazz. Yeah, I like it. We're definitely gonna do this to my car for sure. That's happening.
40 bucks.
Best 40 bucks ever, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Boom. And plus it'll match the gas cap. But yeah, so we'll show you a shot when it's all done. Technically, you guys saw the thumbnail already, but you know, we're filming this in multiple spots. Subscribe, please. I suck. All right, let's just do dose, since I mean it's super kind of anticlimactic because we just did this one, but you know, just so that you guys feel like you're part of the team. That one looks a little off right there. There we go. Man, those look really cool. Yeah, I don't think they're coming off. All right, let's do a step back. I like that. That looks really mean. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Should I do this to my car? Because I'm really considering it. That looks really good. And I like the carbon fiber because, again, guys, we're gonna do a carbon fiber hood in the front on this baby, but I think doing this until then, because that's 1,600 bucks that I gotta pull out of my butt, it's gonna take a while. So I'm thinking boom. And let me know what you think about the grills. They look really good, and I think that it actually makes the caps pop even more, actually. But all right, guys, sweet. I'll see you later.